Hello friends, today's topic is very interesting topic and I always prefer to talk about this topic as it's my favorite topic in digital marketing. Today we will see what is SEO for a hotel and how to perform SEO for a hotel in very simple steps. SEO is a very complex term to understand in 5 to 10 minutes video, but don't worry, I will explain SEO in very simple terms with understandable language and with a very simple example. Whatever I summarize today is all from my years of experience in digital marketing. So without ado, let's start the video. So first topic is what is SEO? What is hotels SEO? And you can applicable these SEO techniques to other website also. But I will give example through hotels website SEO, so you will understand a little bit quick. Hotel SEO is a search engine optimization for hotels website and it is the process of improving hotels website, and the goal is to increase the user and people to hotels website to generate more revenue and more booking. In short, when someone search for hotel in your location, then your website is appear in Google search tab or Google search engine result page for first 10 results. 70% devices in the whole world use Google as a primary search engine. So I use the term Google previously, but other search engines like Bing, Yahoo are also important to generate more traffic and more revenue. So coming back to our point, to increase user or people to our website, we require organic search traffic from Google or other search engine. Lots of people may call it organic traffic, search traffic, organic search and Google traffic, but the meaning of all these terms are same. Getting organic traffic is a tough task, but once you start getting organic traffic for your website, then eventually you will converting more paying guests over the period of time, and the count is growing year by year. So let's understand how to perform SEO and grab more organic traffic for your website. Firstly, understand that SEO has two parts. First one is on-site SEO or on-page SEO, and another one is off-site and off-page SEO. If you want to learn in depth about SEO, then you need to understand 200 plus small or big factors. You can see this Backlinko's blog where he has mentioned all those 200 factors with their description. And one more point about the Backlinko or the owner of Backlinko. The name of Backlinko is Brian Dean and he is specialized SEO expert after Neil Patel. And so you can trust on him and also you can trust on his content. Also I have given this link in my description, so you can check that link from description. We will not discuss all those 200 factors in today's video. We will discuss top most factors as per the search engine point of view in our industry niche. So let's start our topic. First we will discuss on-page factors and then we will go for off-page factors. The first point in on-page factor is keyword. Keyword is the most important topic in SEO. Keywords are those words or the combination of words which people search in Google search engine result page or Google page. If we talk the keyword about hotel and hospitality industry, then they are like hotels near me, hotels in Chicago, cheap hotels around your location, or best hotel in Pune, or beachfront hotels. There are so many keywords and so many combinations if we look the keyword in hotel and hospitality industry. Every location has a different keyword and every keyword has a different keyword volume. Keyword volume means the average monthly searches of that specific keyword to that specific location. Every keyword has a different volume at different location. So higher the volume of keyword means higher the searches of that keyword and higher the quality of that keyword. So we need to find all those keywords who has a higher quality and higher volume. But don't always focus on the volume of keyword. You need to think about your hotel category. You can't put the cheap hotels in Mumbai keyword to 5-star or 7-star or any luxurious hotel. The any luxurious hotel has a different keyword category and this keyword has a higher volume, but you can't choose this keyword to luxurious hotel. You need to choose keyword as per your hotel and resort category. So choose your keyword research wisely for your website and your business. Now we will discuss about which keyword research tool you should use for your hotel website, so you will get a better keyword and better long tail keyword. There are so many tools in market for keyword research, but I will suggest some tools. Those are some free and some paid tools. Those are like keyword.io, Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, Ahref, SEMrush, and one of my favorite, Moz keyword tool. You need to choose long tail keyword phrases for your hotel. I will explain what is long tail keyword. Long tail keywords are those specific keyword phrases which users are more likely to use while taking action like purchasing or taking action like booking any specific hotel. So long tail keywords are most important keywords in your keyword research. Now we will understand how to choose or how to get long tail keywords. After getting basic idea about keyword research, you need to choose your specific keywords and you need to put all those keywords in Answer the Public website. Yes, Answer the Public website. This website is very best website. I personally prefer to use this website for long tail keywords and blog suggestion ideas or content suggestion ideas. You should definitely choose this website for long tail keywords. I will show you how you can do that. After coming Answer the Public website, you need to put your most targeted keyword in the search box. Like I have put my most targeted keyword is hotels in Goa. After the whole search, it will show some queries like how to book hotels in Goa, how to book cheap hotels in Goa, where to book hotels in Goa, and there are so many keyword phrases you will see in this website. So what you need to do, you need to check all the parameters of this website and all the keywords and download those keywords through CSV file. So that's all. Now come to my second and most important point of on-page SEO, and that is meta title and meta description. Meta title and meta description are a simple code in every single page which reflect on Google search engine result page, and we will see those codes and those title and description when we search any keyword in Google search engine result page. The length of meta title is around 50 to 60 character, while the length of meta description is around 160 character, and these two things are your first impression or your website's first impression in your user while they search any keyword related to your hotel website in your location. So these two things will definitely make or break your user entry to your website. You need to write unique meta title and meta description for every single page on your website, as well as you need to add following things in your meta title and meta description: your primary keyword, your long tail keyword, your location specification, your uniqueness over your competitors, and last but not least, your offer and actionable words like book now, get now, save now, compare now, and many more. After completing keyword research, do one thing. Put every keyword on a single Google Drive list. After separating your primary keyword and long tail keyword in a separate and single sheet, what you need to do, you need to choose one keyword at a time and put those keywords in Google search engine result page. So now you will get some result, some paid result as well as some free result. What you need to do, you need to copy each and every meta title and meta description from that listing, from that keyword, and put all those copied meta title and meta description in your Google Drive sheet with respect to their keywords. And after that, bifurcate that sheet into three parts: the domain name, meta title name, meta description name, and you will get idea about how I create my unique meta title and meta description for that specific keyword. So you should definitely think about the paid keywords also. Those are situated in paid ads and in ad section in search engine result page. After analyzing paid result as well as some organic result, you should create your unique meta title and meta description for that specific keyword. And here one pro tip for you: don't focus on too much keyword on a single page. Focus on one or two keywords for a single page and use those keywords in meta title and meta description as well as the content in that specific landing page. So last and important point from this section: your meta title and meta description should solve the query of your user or visitor. If the inner content will not reflect and will not according to the metadata and meta description, then your user or visitor will reflect your website, and that will increase your bounce rate, and that affect your CTR, which means click through rate. You can check on Google what exactly the bounce rate and CTR parameter in SEO. You will get idea about what are these terms and what are their effects in SEO or in your website ranking. So today we will not discuss about those topics. Those topics are most important, but we will discuss in some another video on some another day. Now we will talk about third and most important point, and that is mobile optimization and website loading time. If your website is not optimized, then your website look like this. To watch all these elements from this page, I need to scroll down, up, down, as well as right, left. So I will eventually see all elements and all buttons from this page. But in mobile optimized website, you don't need to scroll right, left to watch all element or all buttons. You just need to scroll up and down, so you can see all elements are arranged according to your mobile display. If your website is not optimized with mobile display, then do it right now, because this is the most important parameter in SEO. Like mobile optimization, website loading time is an equally important parameter in SEO. To perform or to check your website speed, you require some tools, and those tools are like Pingdom, GTmetrix and Google Page Insight. These tools will show you the exact website loading time of your website in mobile as well as in desktop. If your website loading time is more than 5 seconds, then you should definitely worry and think about it and reduce it below 5 seconds. There are so many factors that affect in website loading time. Some of them are high resolution images and videos, unwanted CSS, also unwanted large font size, and there are some issues from your hosting server as well as your website development platform. So these are some factors you need to verify first and then check other factors. Now we have completed 3 major reasons and 3 major topics in SEO. Those are impacted and those affect in more in our website traffic and website ranking. These are not the full video. This is the first part of the video. You will definitely see second part in upcoming days. So please subscribe my channel and watch second part also. Thank you.